Welcome. In this tutorial, we learn how to create a new string using the first and last n characters of a given string in JavaScript. Let's dive in. The program takes a string and a number n, ensuring the string's length is sufficient. It then combines the first and last n characters to form a new string. Here is how we do the function implementation. It extracts the first and last parts of the string using the substring method and concatenates them. Let's break it down. First, we validate the input. Then, we use substring to extract and combine the first and last n characters. For this input, the first two characters are J, A, and the last two are P and T. Concatenating them gives us JAPT. Here, the first three characters are J, A, and V, and the last three are I, P, and T. The result is JAVIPT. The ES6 version simplifies the code by using arrow functions and template literals for better readability and conciseness. Edge cases include minimal values for n, ensuring n is non-negative, and handling strings shorter than n. The function adapts to all inputs. In conclusion, this program is a simple yet effective way to extract and combine parts of a string. It's versatile and handles edge cases gracefully. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next one.